7 Secret Chat GPT hacks. These 7 powerful Chat GPT hacks can save you hours every single week and completely change the way you work. Let's get started. Generic prompts. Most people type simple prompts like, write an email, and then wonder why the results aren't impressive. Better prompts, better results. The secret isn't ChatGPT. The secret is how you talk to it. Let's look at the first hack. Hack 1. Give ChatGPT a role. Instead of asking simple questions, tell ChatGPT who you want it to become. For example, act as a professional marketing expert and create a Facebook ad for my business. Now, ChatGPT understands exactly what you need. The more specific the role, the better the answer. This one trick alone can improve almost every response. Hack number 2. Use step-by-step prompts. Don't ask for everything in one sentence. Break the task into small steps. Hack number 3. Ask for multiple versions. Never accept the first answer. Hack number 4. Summarize long documents. Reading huge documents takes time. Ask ChatGPT to summarize it in simple language. Perfect for students, business owners, researchers, and busy professionals. Hack number 5. Create emails in seconds. Stop writing emails from scratch. In seconds, you'll have a polished email that's ready to send. Hack number 6. Code like a pro. You don't have to be a programmer to write code anymore. ChatGPT will generate clean, easy-to-understand code in seconds. Hack number 7. Boost productivity. Want to finish more work in less time? Use ChatGPT as your personal productivity assistant. Which ChatGPT hack are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to AI Boost Lab for more AI tools, productivity hacks, and business automation tips. Thanks for watching.